Hey Brian, this is Thomas at Athens Chevrolet. This is the truck. It hasn't been washed or anything before the video. I did want to point out a few things to you. It's got a few little dents and dings on it. I'm sure you can see that there in the video. Try to get a good angle on it there where you can see it. And it's got one more on the tailgate. And this is a pre-owned truck. Your other spot's going to be right here. Try to get an angle on it where you can see it better. It does have the multi-flex tailgate and spray-in bed liner. Polished wheels. Mechanically, the truck runs great. I just ran it down the street. Leather's still in great shape. Sunroof. I'll show you the back seat. And then this one does have the technology package. Which that gives you the rear camera mirror. Rear camera mirror up there. So that's actually a screen. You've got heads-up display. I don't know if you can see it there on the grass, but it shows 0 miles per hour. And then you've got the 360 camera there. Shows around the vehicle. That's all part of the technology package. Hope this video helps. Thank you very much.